Dakota until 9:15 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sioux Falls, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rowena around 8:55 p.m. Brandon around 9 p.m. Palisades State Park around 9:05 p.m. Garrettson and Valley Springs around 9:10 p.m. Sherman around 9:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Minnehaha, South Dakota,